What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in again. I have my real hair out here flowing, looking great, all fresh and clean for you guys. So this wig is from SVT Hair. It is an AliExpress vendor that did send me this wig to review. So let's go ahead and pull it out the packaging. So this is a water wave unit. It is really long. It is 26 inches and isn't the curl pattern pretty? It's perfect for the summertime. Just showing the inside of the cap, it is constructed with 4 combs, 1 at the top, 2 near the ear, 1 near the back, and it does have 2 adjustable straps and a Velcro headband. So this is a headband unit. Now I have worn this wig already, that's why it looks just a tad frizzy, but no worries, we will take care of that later. But I love the curl pattern. The ends are very full and thick. This is not a thin unit, which I love, and the cap is constructed very, very well. So these headband wigs are super easy to install. You don't even have to braid your hair back. I'm just doing my hair in a simple slick back ponytail, and this is how it looks. I do make a ball, so it just sits a tad bit flatter against my nape, and I just throw on a tan wig cap. Now if you do want anchor braids on the side, just for something for the combs to hold on to, then you can definitely do that. But this time I just decided to not even just skip the braids and show you guys how simple this can be installed. So I am spraying the wig down with just a little water mixed with a little bit of conditioner. So I'm just using some cheap Suave Max Hold mousse, and I'm just going to randomly spray it around the unit and go ahead and brush it out. Now I do recommend you brush this unit from the bottom to the top just because of the curl pattern, but I wasn't thinking about it here, so forgive me, you guys. But this unit is fairly easy to brush, especially when it is wet and has mousse on it. So these curls are buttery soft. Like, I am loving this wave pattern. Perfect for the summertime. I love it, and I love the long length. I know it'd be hot outside, but I still love long curly hair. So let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Very, very simple. I'm just going to use the combs to attach it to my hair. Like I said, it is best to have anchor braids at least on the side, just to avoid and cut down on the combs grabbing your hair and snatching it out. So you do have to be very, very careful, and I do recommend having anchor braids on the side just to protect your hair and your edges. So if you want to, you can definitely wear this unit right up against your edges if you're really in a hurry and don't even have time to do your baby hair. But y'all know that's not me. I got to do them up. But yeah, look at this hair. Now the color is pretty dark, especially when it's wet. It does feel lighter. It does look lighter when in the sun and when dry. But this hair is so silky smooth. I am loving it. And as you can see, it is 26 inches. So it is really, really long for it to be a curly unit. It is really, really true to length. The headband is actually very, very soft as well. But let's go ahead and pull it back. This is how I like to wear mine. I don't like the band too close to my forehead. And let's just go ahead and separate a few baby hair, and let's go ahead and style it up. What's up, guys? I am back today with a headband review. This review is sponsored by SVT Hair. All the links will be down below in the description box for this hair and everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. As y'all can see, I did the unboxing and installation of this headband unit. So this is a beautiful water wave unit. Like I said, the specific information will be down below, but I'll also put it here as far as the link and the name of this unit. So as you can see, this is a beautiful wave pattern. I feel like this unit is perfect for the summertime. Now it is for my long hair girls that love their long hair even in the summertime. This hair will get a lot bigger as it dries. It's already starting to get bigger, but it's a beautiful water wave texture. It's not tightly curled at all. It's more of like a Spanish wave texture that I think is very beautiful. It is a natural color. And I paired it with this kind of copper brown headband. This headband did not come with this unit. This is just one I had in my stash. And if you guys are wondering, this outfit is from Shein. This is like a jumpsuit outfit from Shein, my favorite website to shop on. So I just did a simple install in this unit. Just used some edge control to slick back my edges. Nothing really serious. I mean, the main attraction is the actual wig, not my baby hair. And y'all excuse my makeup. My makeup does not want to blend today. The sunlight is bright and it's making me a little bit of a ghostly look here, and it's not blending with my forehead. But anyway, it's about the unit. So this is a very beautiful unit. Like I said, it is very buttery soft. My brush has no problem running through it from root to end. And like I said, this unit is very long, you guys. It is very buttery smooth. Now, I would suggest brushing this unit from the bottom to the root, from the bottom up, just because of the texture of it. You don't want to cause any tangles, but it has a very beautiful luster to it. And like I said, this length is the bomb. Like, I love it, and it is very soft. There's nothing bad I can say about this. The only thing I do notice is it does shed a little bit, and I think just because it is curly hair does tend to shed a little bit more. But as you can see, it's drying. But I did use a little bit of Suave Mousse and water, and that is literally it. This is a very beautiful unit. Of course, you can play with it, you know, do different styles, but with wave texture, with textures like this, I love to just wear it down. I think it is so pretty. The headband is good quality. They sewed it great quality. The sewing at the top, there's no short hairs or anything like that. The cap size is very nice. If I wanted to wear the headband up here, I feel like I do have enough room. So I would say this is medium head friendly to large head friendly, especially if you're wearing it pretty far back. Even if you have a larger head, I'm pretty sure it would fit, especially if you're wearing it far back. But I have a very small head, so it fits me perfectly. It's not poofy or baggy in the back, and it was a very simple install. Oh, and the cap is constructed very well. It does consist of 4 combs, 1 here, 2 here, and 1 comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps if you need it a little bit tighter. But yeah, it is a perfect fit for my head, and the cap is constructed very well. And as you can see, the install was super easy. As y'all know, these headband wigs have made it so much easier for us girls, especially for the summertime. If you got to get up and go to the grocery store, go to the hair store or something, and you want to look cute, this is an easy way. You don't even have to add a headband, a decorative headband, if you don't want to. But yeah, I love this wave pattern. You can wear it dry, you can wear it wet. My favorite way is to wear it wet. But yeah, easy install, like all these headband wigs are. So yes, like I said, this video was sponsored. So this wig was sent to me for review, but I still give you guys my honest and true opinion and experience of this wig, with my experience of this wig. Now, when I did the unboxing, I did wear this wig already for a few days. That's why I didn't look like perfect out of the box, because I did wear this wig a few days and it was beautiful right out of the box. But I do feel like it does need some moisture and maybe a co-wash right out the box. It didn't have a funky smell or anything, but just to make the curls and the waves pop a little bit, I feel like it did. It will need a co-wash, but this hair will be so perfect for the summertime. I'm actually going to lift my camera up a little bit to show you guys a few different styles that you can style this unit in. Before I did that, I did want to show you guys the shedding that I got brushing this unit out. So here is the shedding that I got. I did take this out of my little brush. So as you can see, it's quite a bit. Hopefully it doesn't continue to shed like this. This was with, you know, adding mousse and water. It was kind of tangled because I had wore it for a few days without adding any moisturizer. So maybe that's why, but hopefully it doesn't continue to do this, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys some of the styles I can put this unit in. So I did want to show you guys the back of the unit and how it looks if you don't smooth down your hair underneath. It will have a little hump, but it's still cute to me. Just make sure the foundation underneath is as flat as possible if you want that part flat. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I didn't want to make this video too long, so just made a quick video for you guys. Y'all know my videos can go easily 15 minutes, but I'm not going to do that today. Well, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you share my channel, tell all your friends, make sure to rate, like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me and getting me to 16,000 subscribers. I have been doing this stuff for a long time, YouTube for a long time, before it was even that popular, like 2007. And y'all have stuck with me since my very first sew-in video. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.